Hey folks, how we doing? All right, getting started here on recording our week 2 notes. Okay, so as you can tell from the topic, on the Canvas site, we're going to be talking about ideal gases and real gases. So I hope that gives us a little bit of familiar ground, right? Hopefully you remember some of this stuff from Chem 109. If not, we're going to review some of that here today and then expand on that into the new stuff. All right? In the meantime, we'll just let this nice My Morning Jacket get us started. Okay, folks. So, equations of state. So the concept of the equation of state is it is an equation that can describe the physical state of a substance. And so as an example, I can say pressure, P, is going to be some function of T, V, and N, where, of course, pressure, P for pressure, T for temperature, V for volume, and N for number of moles. And so this equation describes 4 variables. So P, T, V, and N. And the idea with the equation of state is if 3 of these are specified, let's say, if 3 are specified, then 1 is fixed, right? So if we explicitly define temperature, volume, and number of moles, pressure has to be fixed for those set of conditions to give us that state, that equation of state. And so, of course, an example of this that hopefully you all know and love, P equals nRT over V. I know you wanted me to say real bad, PV equals nRT. I want to say it like that too, right? We've memorized PV equals nRT, right? But in the spirit of this equation of state, I can say P is a function of TV and N, which then of course equals nRT over V, right? So let's write that, I should say P, right, as a function of TV and N, okay?